So here it is, the world's most high-tech Christmas tree. It's got a lot of little parts here, and cleaning these off and taking them off the printer and everything was just super easy because they're all connected here on this nice corn on the cob thing. So let's look at the parts. We've got little cantilevers, air brakes, brake booster. I don't know if you can see in there, it's kind of buried in there right here, and those little tiny arms came out on the end of the brake booster, and there's some linkage and just a lot of little bits and pieces that we needed to complete the hoverbike kits. So by printing it on this long tree, we get to print a whole ton of them. I can just print 4 or 5 of these on one plate, no problem. They print vertically like this, obviously, so something like this, and that's it. And again, to create the supports for this and just to build this whole structure, I'm using Blender, which is a free software, and I have other videos about that if you want to look into it. But yeah, it's a great way to save time, and I think it looks freaking cool. Let me try to zoom in on it. Come on! Here we go. So we've got knurling on the pedals. You can see all those details in there. This is at 70 micron XY and 70 micron Z resolution, so could go even higher. We could go up to like 50 or 25, but this thing is working really great. This is on the homemade printer, which I'll probably do some more videos on later, but it's a really simple setup that it uses Tupperware and all kind of ghetto stuff. It's made out of wood and all that, and it can still print pretty much perfect stuff. Undersides are really good, courtesy of that milkshake resin. So yeah, the resin is a huge part, especially for this printer. But okay, I'll have another video soon. I have this Lotus 72 Lotus that's being printed right now, and I'll show that in a minute.